When you are new in town and you want to travel around using the public transport, but you don't know what to do and where to go, that can be pretty frustrating. Believe me, I know the feeling. I've been there before. So that's why in today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys how to use public transport here in Lisbon. Hello everyone, my name is Selfie and welcome to my channel. There are many public transport you can use in Lisbon like bus, metro, train, tram, ferry, funicular, taxi, e-scooter, e-bike and many more. But in today's video, I'm going to explain how to use bus, metro and train only since those are the ones that I use pretty often. Alright, let's start talking about the metro. The metro in Lisbon is a perfect way to get around the city quickly. It is clean, safe, and cheap. It costs only €1.65 for a one-way ticket. You can check the price details on the Metro Lisboa website, which I'll put the link in the description box below, so you can check it out straight away after watching this video. You will be able to recognize the metro stations easily because there will be this red M sign at every entrance of the station. At the big station like Oriente, the metro station, train station, bus terminal and taxi stand are at the same place. So what you need to do is to look at the signs and just follow the arrows. To enter and exit the station, you will need to validate your ticket by tapping your card once on the reader at barriers. I will talk about how to get the card and ticket later at the end of this video, so stay tuned guys! It is very easy to understand how the metro works here in Lisbon since the network is not very large. It has only 4 lines, which are red, green, yellow, and blue lines. Besides by color, the lines are also symbolized by these symbols. You will see them everywhere inside the metro stations. Now, if you guys are wondering which way or line you should go to get to your destination, it is very easy. Open your Google Maps or any of your favorite map app. Type your location and destination, then choose directions. Next, make sure you choose the public transport symbol. Then it will show you the options of route to get to your destination. Choose the metro, then tada! Now you can see the details of which lines and where you need to go. Always make sure you're going in the right way by looking at the direction displayed on the displayer. It should match with the direction on your Google Map. You can also check the direction by looking at the lines and connections table in the train. There is also this direction board at every metro station to help you know where you are now. I find it very helpful when I get lost or miss my stop. This display on the platform shows the remaining time until the next train arrives. The Lisbon Metro operates every day from 6:30 AM to 1 AM. To get out from the station, you just need to look at the exit sign. Saída means exit. Next, the trains. The train ticket can be purchased from any ticket vending machines or from the sales offices. Once you have the ticket or enough balance in your card, you just need to validate it on the validator. If at the metro stations we need to find the lines by the color, at the train stations we need to find them by number. To find when and which line you should go, read these displayers and find your destination. Then just follow the sign to go to the platform. If you are planning to travel around Lisbon only, you are unlikely to use the trains. They are ideal for traveling to nearby towns like Cascais and Sintra. The ticket price varies depending on your destination. Just like traveling by metro, you can also track your journey by looking at these train lines and connections table. Sometimes the train doors will not open automatically. So when you arrive at your destination, you need to pull this lever, or on some trains, you need to push a button to open the doors. Next, the buses. To use the Lisbon buses, you need to find which bus you need to hop on and which bus stop you need to wait at. Make sure you are waiting at the right bus stop by looking at the board here. People in Lisbon always wait patiently in the queue to get into the bus. You always get on the bus at the front door and get out from the back door. To use the buses, you need to tap your card when you get on the bus on the machine next to the driver. Make sure you have bus ticket or enough balance in it. You can also buy the bus ticket directly from the driver. As always, make sure that you're going in the right way as your map shows you. To get off from the bus, press this red button just before you arrive at your stop. Now, let's talk about how to buy the tickets. So, to travel in Lisbon using metro, trains, buses, trams, funiculars, elevators, and boats, you only need a single card valid for all of them, which can have two names, Viva Viajem or Navegante. They serve the same purpose and they are only valid for a year. They are reusable, which means you can top it up when you run out of credit or when you want to buy new ticket. Each person must have their own card. You can get them from the ticket vending machines when you buy your first ticket. Now, what can you load in this travel card? There are three options: a single ticket, a daily ticket, or a credit in euros. This is known as zapping method or pay as you go. The advantage of zapping method is that you'll get cheaper price for every single ticket you pay. What does it mean? Let's take metro ticket for example. Now, a normal single ticket for metro costs €1.65. With zapping, a single ticket for metro costs €1.47. Here are the steps how to buy your first ticket and the card. Choose English. Choose without reloadable card. Here you can choose to buy more than one card. Then choose the ticket you want. I only want one ticket, so continue. Then you'll need to choose how you are going to pay. I'll choose buy cash. Enter the money into vending machine. And wait until the screen shows you the next steps. TIN is a text number. If you don't have it, you can skip this. And remove the card, change, and the receipt. Now you have a single metro and bus ticket in your card. So how is it, guys? It is pretty easy to understand, right? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like it and share it to your friends or family who want or plan to go to Lisbon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more informative videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.